Can you believe it? 2024 is almost over. Only 90 days left. And before you start thinking about everything you didn't do this year, let's hit pause. Still, you got 90 days, and that is all you need to turn it around, to take charge and end this year feeling proud of yourself. Trust me, you still have the time to make it count. First of all, let's be real. Okay, maybe this year didn't go the way you planned. Maybe you didn't hit the gym as much as you wanted. Somehow things didn't work out for you this year. And that is okay. Life is messy, right? But you can still make something amazing happen. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide to do something amazing with these 90 days. Every situation, problem or opportunity is connected to our mindset. आप किसी बुरी से बुरी सिचुएशन में भी कुछ सीख कर निकल सकते हैं या फिर सिर्फ परेशान होकर उस सिचुएशन को अपने आंखों के आगे से गुजरते हुए देख सकते हैं और वो समय बहुत पेनफुल होता है. Look, people will always be there to criticize you, to tell you you are not good enough, you haven't achieved anything this year. But guess what? You do not need their validation or their approval. Stop giving your energy to negative stuff or to the people and start appreciating what is good about you. And trust me, there is a lot more than you think. Setting goal is the most important thing. If you do not know where you wanna go, हाउ वुड यू रीच देयर. अगर आप ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं तो आपको टिकट लेनी पड़ेगी और आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि आपकी डेस्टिनेशन, आपका स्टेशन कौन सा है. अदरवाइज ना आपको टिकट मिलेगी और ना ही आप अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पर पहुंच पाओगे. सेम थिंग अप्लाइज to our life. So if you want to reach your destination, you want to feel proud at the end of this year, set one powerful goal right now. It doesn't have to be massive. Goals बहुत बड़े हों ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, but it does have to matter to you. वो आपके लिए बहुत वैल्यूएबल होना चाहिए. Maybe you always wanted to start a startup or quit outside junk food or improve your mental or physical health, whatever it is. Decide that you are going to commit to it for the next 90 days. Don't think beyond that. उसके बाद में क्या होगा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just stick to these 90 days. Have crystal clear goal in front of your eyes. Generally what we do, we decide from tomorrow I'll get up at 5 in the morning, then I'll meditate, I'll read a book, and then I hit the gym. And guess what? Nothing happened because you're not in your routine. You are not having a disciplined life. Don't say I'll walk 10,000 steps every day. Instead say I'll walk for 15 minutes every day. जब आप 15 minutes के लिए walk करने जाओगे तो वो कब 30 minutes में convert हो जाएंगे आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा और eventually आपकी habit develop हो जाएगी. And always remember, the more specific you are, the better your chances of success. But your goals need to be specific and realistic. अगर आप बहुत बड़े गोल्स बनाएंगे तो ब्रेन रिजेक्ट कर देगा क्योंकि उसने आपको देखा ही नहीं है इतनी डिसिप्लिन लाइफ जीते हुए और इतने बड़े बड़े गोल्स को अचीव करते हुए. तो आप जब रियलिस्टिक गोल बनाएंगे ब्रेन उसको धीरे धीरे एक्सेप्ट करेगा एंड आप इवेंचुअली एक हैबिट को क्रिएट करेंगे. यू नीड टू गो क्लोजर टू योर गोल, योर टारगेट. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर इंस्टेंस आपको लग रहा है कि दिवाली आने वाली है, मुझे घर की डीप क्लीनिंग कर लेनी चाहिए, बट maybe you are going to waste your whole day. It's not important for you right now. Prioritize करना बहुत important है. Make a circle and write your priority. अभी आपके लिए सबसे important क्या है? अगर आपकी priority success है, सक्सेसफुल होना, करियर बनाना है, डू समथिंग एवरी डे सो दैट यू कैन मूव टूवर्ड्स दैट गोल. तो अगर आप वो चीज़ें पहले करते हैं जो आपके लिए इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, यू आर गोइंग टू वेस्ट योर टाइम. अगर आपको अपनी हेल्थ अच्छी करनी है तो उससे रिलेटेड चीज़ें करिए, बाकी सारी चीज़ें आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. वी ऑल नो दैट वी हैव लिमिटेड टाइम एवरी डे. वी हैव 24 hours. In the same way, we have limited energy. At the starting of the day, we are full of energy, but by the end of the day, it reduces. तो उस एनर्जी को आप सबसे पहले उस काम में यूज कीजिए जो आपकी लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने वाला है, ना कि वो काम जो आपकी लाइफ में किसी भी तरीके की एज सच वैल्यू ऐड नहीं करते हैं और आप उनको रोज करते हो तो भी वो खत्म नहीं होते हैं. Prioritize yourself. Priority is very very important. Whatever is your priority, do it right away and do it every day, because remember, consistency beats intensity every time. One of the primary reasons people fail to achieve their goals is they felt overwhelmed and they quit because they have set goal for themselves which is too big, massive, and they are scared. They do not know how to achieve that goal. That is why they give up. If your goal is to learn a new skill, ask yourself, what do I need to achieve in week 1, week 2, and then week 3? This helps you track your progress and keeps you from being overwhelmed. That way, your goal that seems so big and daunting becomes something that can be accomplished over time in several steps. Upon completing these steps, you will realize that you have achieved your goal that you earlier found overwhelming and even impossible. Now you have got it. Let's be honest, social media, Netflix, the never ending scrolling. They are fun, obviously, but they are stealing your time. You got only 90 days left in this year. If you want to do something about this year, if you want to achieve something this year, so make a deal with yourself. Cut down on distractions. If you have got time to binge watch a series, you have got time to work on your goals too. Prioritize yourself and your goals. My dear friends, energy is contagious. If you are surrounded by people who are negative, you will start thinking negative about yourself and everything around you. But if you got some people who are very positive, full of positive energy, you will start feeling in the same way. Surround yourself with people and content that lift you up. Try not to watch anything that can drain your energy, because energy is power, energy is money too. Energy is very, very important for you to complete any task, to achieve your goals. Try to save your energy as much as possible. Block out the noise of people who drag you down and make you doubt yourself. Do not hear them. Follow those who inspire you. Spend time with people who push you to be a better version, and eventually your vibe will attract your tribe. Often we don't praise ourselves because we do not have this habit. Since childhood, we get criticized for each and everything or most of the things. So we have this habit of self-criticism. We pity ourselves most of the time, if you can notice. So celebrate all your small wins. Whatever you have achieved, whether it is small or big, celebrate them. Reward yourself. Love yourself. Praise yourself. Did you wake up early today? Get something done? Appreciate yourself. Buy something small for yourself. Treat yourself. Did you complete your task today? Well done. Clap for yourself. The world is full of people who are ready to tell you whatever you are doing is wrong. So you be the person who tells you that whatever you are doing is right. Keep going. Do not stop, and never, never, ever give up on your dreams. These 90 days are going to build a foundation for you for 2025 and further years. So at the end of each week, now onwards, check in with yourself. How are you feeling? What's working for you and what is not? What can you tweak, adjust as needed, but never give up. The point isn't to be perfect. It's to keep moving forward. I wish you all the best for your 90 days challenge. I hope you will accept this challenge for yourself and do something amazing with your life. At the end of December, you will be celebrating and you will be excited for 2025, and I hope you stay happy while you are doing something for yourself. Try to love the process. Do not hate it. Some days may be tough for you, some days may be bad for you, some days you feel that I don't want to do it, I can't do it, but try to pass that one day. Next day you will feel better. I promise you on that. And with this, I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video with a great concept. Till then, bye.